Are they all together?
Yes.
No.
First, just try it. They are good. Today they must first just try. They are good.
Because it's supposed to be down there, class 5.
Yeah, it's supposed to be down there. It's not there. Neither the signature of someone who classified.
He said they don't classify, so according to him,
Classification is the grouping of the fingerprints in manually. But we have now the modern system. It doesn't classify.
It doesn't classify.
Yes.
Just for confirmation, you said in the modern system you don't classify. Thank you. I have a copy of PE5. You have it there.
the documents you've been given, look.
No, not that one, not that one. There's a document.
On the other ones, check there. Marked PE5. Maybe show him to compare with what
Go to the extreme corner, the same document, extreme corner. There is an,
This document?
yes, there is fingerprint classification, AFIS number, is that true? You've seen it up there, extreme corner?
Fingerprint.
My brother reading some
Yes,
of those.
yes.
Extreme corner, you've seen it? You've seen it up there?
Yeah.
Just mention it before, what's the number there on?
The office. This is the office number.
It's okay.
Exhibit 5.
The exhibit number 5.
Office number.
In fact, here was number 6. The number is the same. Read that number, read that office number.
20 48 82 96.
Pardon? 90.
20 48 82
Are they
95.
stroke or is just a continuation?
Because what if there is no stroke?
20, 48.
Office number 20 48 82 96.
Sorry?
The new form doesn't have the date.
It doesn't have a
See?
date. Sorry?
This form doesn't have the date. I can see.
Six. Can you have order in court? Forms should be off.
My brother, when did forensic receive this document? If you can recall.
When to receive?
Yes, when did they receive this document? Just look at the document. Don't worry.
No, there's always accompanying document where it is received, as you can see, for this one.
There is always a what?
There's always somebody, if the date is not there, there's always somebody who received it from a company, covering letter.
Thank you so much.
That's what I'm
Covering
trying,
letter.
that's what I'm,
Covering letter.
That's what I'm trying to look for.
Okay. Just look at what you have there, my brother.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. That means on that document, there is no day specified for that report to have been received by forensic. Is that true?
It's not there.
It's not there. According to that information. Thank you. But they talked about the forwarding letter together with that. That means, if I'm to ask, forensic can't receive this report, fingerprint report, without a forwarding letter. Is that true?
There are two ways.
My brother, is that true?
There are two ways.
Okay.
It can be true or not. So there are two ways. If it is received through the live scan, the system.
If it is received through the system,
Yeah, it is only the
there
fingerprint.
is no need.
It is only the fingerprint which goes.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And PF17A, I mean PF39 comes later.
My brother, I'm talking about only this form. Does this form different from the other letter? Does it have a forwarding letter from the CID officer from Kabalagala? Does it have a forwarding letter?
39.
Sorry?
Form 39. Yes.
It's sent with form 39.
Yeah.
It is sent by form with form
Attached.
39.
39 attached.
39. Okay. Do you have that form 39 here? Or
Do
did
you
you?
have the exhibits that we got from the file? But you don't mix them with yours. Those are the documents we tend to update. So
Do you see Odim C. Papa Charles's name there in?
Not there.
The last paragraph of that letter, if you can read it, it talks about compiling the analysis as soon as possible. Is that true?
This letter?
Yes, on the same letter, the last paragraph.
Yes.
Was it done as soon as possible?
The report was made.
The report was made,
Yes.
but not in accordance to as soon as possible.
What is that as soon as possible according to?
Okay, was the report done within the same year, for example?
Yes.
It was done within the same year. Thank you. Yes, the
for
forensic.
this examination, the report was done.
Examination.
That, in respect of that letter.
Yeah, examination was done twice.
Sorry?
Because examination was done twice.
Examination was done twice.
Analysis.
Analysis was done twice. Ah. When
So
was the
there is
first?
a 2019 report.
2019 report, and also when the fingerprints of the accused at the moment with others, that was in 2022.
Thank you. Do you have a copy of the 2019 report here in court?
2019.
My brother, I'm talking about the documents they tendered in court. Is it among the documents they tendered in court? Not from your file, from the police file.
Maybe we can get it from the police file first.
Thank you.
2019 report.
But we can get that one from
Sorry?
the police file.
Sorry? It can be the police
two
file.
report can be got from the police file.
Okay, the police file. The 2019 report can be got from the police file.
2019 and 2022.
Thank you.
Report zombi yabiri 18 yabiri kwezi 5
Are you aware that that report was never exhibited in court? The 2019 report?
I don't know.
You don't know. Thank you. Pius, was CPAPA's fingerprints forwarded to forensic in 2019, or it wasn't?
No.
Was it? Am I therefore right to say that in 2019, there was no formal instruction in regards to CPAPA, neither any report concerning my client's name in 2019?
The instruction was to compare and analyze fingerprints of those who were submitted.
My question comes, is there any formal instruction in regards to my client in 2019?
Analysis of his fingerprints.
Analysis of his
2019.
fingerprints in
His
2019?
fingerprint was not there.
Thank you. My brother, are you aware that this is the second time this matter coming up? It was reopened.
What?
It was reopened before this honorable court. Are you aware of the same?
The matter of this case.
Yes, this same case. Are you aware that it was reopened?
I don't know. For me, I've come for this case.
Thank you. You include what you are saying in your report. That some of them were mixed up, others were not clear. Did you include them in your report?
Go to the finding tells the detail.
Sorry?
The finding tells the detail.
The finding what?
The finding tells the detail. Because when I say
The finding tells the details.
when I say search was carried out, that means all the four were searched.
All the four were searched.
Yes.
And the results you got
Only two were
were
found
two.
identical.
Thank you.
All the exhibits were searched.
Were searched. And the results came out for only 1 and 2. Is that true?
Identical.
Identical.
He is not certain. He doesn't want you to use the words they don't use. He says identical.
Identical results.
When you go to your page number 3, just for confirmation, exhibit number 1 and 2 are the same, according to a description. Go to the description, are they the same or they are different?
In the description.
Yes, in the
Yes.
description, they are the same.
Yes.
Different?
The marking, no.
Am I right therefore to ask that you searched for the padlocks, but you never got any result? That is 3 and 4. Is that true?
Yes, that's why that's why I've said it.
Just answer yes.
Yes.
My brother, did you include that in your report? Or you only included what you wanted?
It is included.
Okay, let's go there. Go to the finding. Did you include here item number 3 and number 4 in your report?
It is included.
It's included.
Yes.
Please read it for us.
Search and comparison of the non-sample fingerprint with the latent prints. Latent print means 1, 2, 3, 4. Those markings, those latent prints. Search, let me repeat. Search and comparison of the non-sample fingerprints are this one here, with the latent fingerprints. in the system revealed latent fingerprint on lift marked 1 and 2. From the above crime scene, that is office breaking and theft, Void Kabalagala SD36 stroke 03/02 stroke 2019, identical to Pauline Charles Papa left thumb print in their rigid details.
Have you seen the name?
Yes, he's one of my subordinate officers.
What's the name they're on?
This is the first one, is Chalimpa.
Chalimpa, J. Chalimpa.
Yeah.
What about the second one?
Wait, the second.
The second. No, there were two. Mark both of them.
This one is J. Semudu.
J.
Semudu.
Semudu.
Yes.
Okay. Is J. Chalimpa and J. Semudu different from Friday Godfrey?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All under Latin.
You go down, there is a date. The date when it was printed. Can you inform this honorable court the date when you printed out?
P5 and PEX5.
Yes. It has which name down there? Printed by
This one of Chalimpa.
Chalimpa, fine.
It is 06/06 2024.
Okay.
Kale muje balikeyo. Okay, amanya Geoffrey Tulyamusima, lawyer wa Sipapa, muguno omusango guli mu kkooti eya wansi wano ku Chief Magistrate Court eya Makindye, weewawe Makindye. Baali bamugulako omusango gw'Abajapani bwe yagenda n'amenya ofiisi zaabwe n'abba ebintu ebyenjawulo naddala na ssente. Olunaku lwayo tuzze mu kkooti era omujulizi gwe baleese yabadde ow'ebinkumu oba gwe tuyita fingerprint expert. Of course tumubuuza ebibuuzo bingi ng'atamwatamwa era tumanyi kye twabagamba oli tukiddamu kati guno omusango mujweteke si mutuufu teguliiyo era kyemmanyiko tegenda kugoberera amazima okusinziira ku bibuuzo ebyenjawulo bitubuuza olunaku lwaleero ne bye twabuuza abajulizi abalala okulaba nga Sipapa guno omusango agusinga oba bagumwejjeereza oba bagumuggyako.
Guno omusango buli luti tulabamu abajulizi ab'enjawulo. Wakyaliyo omujulizi omulala, abajulizi abalala bakyagudde?
Yes, waliyo omujulizi omu asigaddeyo IO era yasemba wamaliriza oyo kkooti ejja tuwa omwagaanya okubanga tuteekamu gye tuyita submission of no case to answer oba okuwumbawumba okusookerwako oba okwentandika kkooti kwejja okusinziira okuwa ensala oba omusango yaguza oba teyaguzza. Kkooti wegamba nti mulimu eggumba alina okwewolereza then tugende naffe kweyo level. Batuwadde tukomewo nga November 18.
Tunafuna okuwulirwa oba okubuuzibwa omuntu gwobuuza ebibuuzo anabeerawo kwolwo.
Tusuubira okuba nga ajja kubeerawo ekyennaku leero tabaddeewo naye ajja kubeerawo naffe tujja kubeerawo olw'ensonga kye tusinga okwagala guno omusango guve mu kkubo tugende tukwate ku kintu ekirala.
Ensonga gy'abadde lwaki tabaddeewo?
Saagala kulimba ko si mujulizi waffe mujulizi wa side eri at least ono abaddewo era gwe tubuuza ebibuuzo.
Tulabye nga abantu b'obuuza ab'enjawulo batuuka ku seerisaba amazzi mu kkooti. Kiva ku ki?
Of course nga yena bagamba that omusango guno wogutunula n'engeri gye baaguleetamu omusango gwa 2019 eno fayiro yakubiri mu musango gwe gumu. Ogwasooka kkooti gwe baali bataddeyo yamuta nga ne bagamba terina musango. Naye oba obadde ogoberera ebibuuzo bye tuba tubuuza mulimu ebituli bingi. Kyemmanyi kkooti ebirabye n'abadde mu kkooti babirabye. Naye remember si buvunaanyizibwa baffe kugumaliriza kugusala. Kkooti erina okugusala era ejja tuwa ensala yaayo nga buli kimu kyonna kiwedde.